Hello guys, join me today as I enjoy this amazing sunset with that mountaintop view and a cup of specialty coffee in my hand. Nothing beats that. At kung gusto mo lang talagang mag-relax at mag-distress, this is the perfect place for you. The place is called Sinukuan, located sa may Barangay Baliti, Arayat, Pampanga. And yes, you heard it right, sa Pampanga lang to, hindi na natin kailangan magbiyahe papunta sa Rizal or Cavite at sa kung saan pang malayong lugar para lang makapag-enjoy ng coffee with a view. At hindi lang basta coffee ang sinaserve nila, meron din silang sandwiches, pastas, and rice meal, perfect din for the whole family. So isa-isahin natin yung mga order namin. First up is the chicken alfredo. Very creamy pero subtle lang yung flavor, and in fairness, eto yung pinakagusto ko sa lahat ng in-order natin. Up next ay yung fish and chips, very crispy, hindi oily, manipis rin lang yung batter at ang sarap ng parang tartar sauce. Eto naman yung fried chicken na medyo lasang lutong bahay kaya very comforting and I like it. If anything, I would say medyo thick lang yung gravy niya. Eto naman yung lechong kawale with tofu and kangkong. Yung pagkakaluto ng kangkong is a little bit on the salty side for me pero kasi sensitive ako sa maalat. Sa mga kasama ko naman, sakto lang daw for them. Pero yung lechong kawali niya is spot on. After that, meron naman tayo nitong crispy kare-kare. And of course, katulad ng lechong kawali with kangkong, ang sarap din ng pagkakaluto ng pork dito. And then yung kare-kare sauce, vegetables, and bagoong on the side were really good. This made me smile. Tapos eto yung pangalawa sa mga favorites ko for tonight, yung kanilang beef lengua. The meat is very tender and the cream sauce is very flavorful. From their breakfast selections naman, we tried their beef tapa, and this is also a winner. Napakalambot ng beef, although sana mas maasim at mas maanghang pa ng konti yung suka para perfect na for my own preference. Ito naman yung butter garlic shrimp, and you can never go wrong with that. Sakto yung pagkakaluto ng shrimp, it's not overcooked, kaya juicy and succulent pa rin yung meat. And last but not least sa ating mga main dishes ay yung kanilang sinok burger. And kita nyo naman, it's almost as big as my face. Very generous sa vegetables, there's cheese and the beef patty, and it also comes with a side of fries. Very hearty at hindi ka talaga mabibitin. Up next, subukan naman natin yung mga drinks nila. Inuna natin yung mga non-coffee nila, yung tropical lychee is very refreshing. Tapos yung cascara naman, nakakagising yung asim kilig, ang sarap. Yung hot coffee na iniinom ko kanina is their white mocha and it's really good. Kung mahilig ka sa medyo sweet and milky na coffee, try mo yung Sweet Maria. At sa mga cinnamon lovers naman, of course, the dirty horchata. Also, I appreciate their biscoff lotus kasi hindi masyadong matamis unlike sa iba na medyo masakit sa lalamunan. Of course, meron din tayo ng iced matcha at yung dalawang favorite ko sa mga iced coffee drinks na tinikman natin ay yung white mocha at yung sea salt foam. Napaka-solid ng mga yan. Ang dami pa raw nilang gustong i-develop dito sa cafe and very soon they also want to start holding events. And I'm very excited for that. Sobrang na-enjoy ko yung experience ko and I assure you, babalik ako dito. And as if all of those drinks are not yet enough, nagpatikim pa sila sa amin nung kanilang mga specialty coffee. Habang pinapaliwanag nila yung subtle art of coffee making, kung saan ang kape ay hindi kailangan laging mapait lang. Kasi pwedeng-pwede mo rin daw i-harness yung nutty, sweets, and fruity undertones of the coffee bean, depende kung gaano kagaling yung nagpe-prepare. So sa mga coffee lovers who wanna take it up a notch, specialty coffee is definitely the way to go. At kung gusto mo ring mag-relax at wala ka pang pupuntahan sa weekend with your family and friends, pumunta ka na rin dito sa Arayat, try Sinukuan and enjoy!
Sinok Tapa!